guys. Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss another project that I have completed on Fiverr with 5-star reviews. A client from Italy came to me on Fiverr. He said that he has different errors in his web app. He needs to fix it and deploy it on his server. That's why he came to me on Fiverr. I review his code, then fix all the errors, then deploy it on his Hostinger server and completed the order with 5-star reviews. We will discuss each and everything in detail. So without wasting your time, let's move on to the screen. Here you can see that he said, "Hi Mustafa." He was creating a simple web app with Next.js and Tailwind, but he said that the styling is not working. Means the Tailwind he has installed Tailwind, but he cannot show, but he is not able to show all the styling on his web page because Tailwind is not working, and he needs some more modifications in his web app. As usual, I say that thank you. Yes, I will help you to fix all these issues. You need not worry. I asked him about the code files. Maybe then I asked him about the code files. He said that they are almost 450 MB file. I said that, my friend, download the node modules and compress it into zip file, then share it with me. Then he said I will share all the files tomorrow. I said no problem. Take your time. When you are free, then contact me again. We will work on it. Then he shared me his GitHub repository link. Then Then let me explain it first. He has developed his Next.js app with the help of ChatGPT, but he is not able to fix all these issues. That's why he came to me to fix all these issues and deploy it on his Hostinger server. He said that he is not a software developer, he is only a vibe coder, that he is not able to fix his Tailwind issue and some layout issues. As most of you know that now everyone is developing their web apps with the help of AI, but AI is not enough mature that they can handle each and everything. At the end, they need a software developer or software engineer to fulfill their needs. As here you can see that from GitHub, I downloaded his code and run it locally. Then I shared some pictures to confirm that is it his website. Then I run the code locally and take some screenshots and share it again to confirm that is it his web app or not. Then he confirmed that this was his website. When I run his code file, when I run his Next.js project locally, then I came to know that there are some issues in the Tailwind installation and some layout issues. I have fixed both of them. Then I took the screenshot and shared it with him. He said, perfect, I have fixed his Tailwind and some layout issues. Then he asked me what was wrong. Then I have explained all the issues that we were facing in the code. Then he asked me about the budget. Here you can see that I have fixed his issues without agree upon any budget. Sometimes we have to complete our work without agreement, means without any offer, because I know that this is a simple issue that I can fix it in minimum time. That's why I have to complete my work first, then we will talk about the estimation cost for this project. Then he asked me about the budget for this project. Then I share all the details about the project estimation, time and the cost. He said he sent me a screenshot about my gigs plan. He was thinking that this is the only price that I can charge. But I explained that this price is only for the basic task, not for the deployment, because you have to deploy your app on your hosting server. That that as this is your custom order, that's why I share my total estimation cost for this project. We agree upon that. Then I created the offer, he accepted it. Then I did the remaining. Also said that all he said that also update my GitHub repository and send the code file in a zip format to me. Here you can see that our project started. Then I share the code file in zip format. Then I ask him, please review and let me know if you need any improvements in the code. But as for now, we have done each and everything. He accepted the order and he gave me the 5-star reviews, and he said that great work, super effective and resolutive. He said that great work, super effective and resolutive. He gave me the 5-star review as he was happy with me. As usual, I have fixed his problem. Yes, this is the first part that we have completed. In the second part, I will also share the deployment on how I deploy this project on Hostinger server. This is how I have completed my another project on Fiverr with 5-star reviews. The main lesson of this video or this project is that we have to understand what our client need, and we have to guide our client that how can we fix their problem, then how can we fulfill their needs. In this way we can build a strong relationship with our clients. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you have learned something valuable from this video.